Hello students, now we will read Chapter 7 International Date Line, Class 9th Geography, Maharashtra Board. So let's start. Let's recall which meridian is used to determine World Standard Time GMT. Which meridian determines Indian Standard Time IST. What is the time difference between the GMT and the IST? Can you tell? We bid adieu to the year 2016 and welcomed the new year 2017 on Saturday midnight. Similarly, other countries also welcomed the new year. A table showing the days and time of the whole of the welcome of the of new year in different countries and cities according to the Indian Standard Time is given. Observe the table and answer the following questions. Note 24-hour clock has been followed. According to requirement in this chapter, country and city name. This is day, this is Indian time. England, London, Sunday 5:30. Japan, Tokyo, Saturday 20:30. USA, New York, Sunday 10:30. USA, Baker Island, Sunday 17:30. Australia, Sydney, Saturday 18:30. New Zealand, Auckland, Saturday 16:30. Samoa Island, Apia, Saturday 15:30. Tuvalu, Funafuti Island, Saturday 17:30. Which location was the first to welcome New Year in the world? What day was it then? Which location bid farewell to the New Year 2016, the last of all? On which day did that location welcome 2017? What could be the reason behind the change in the day of Sydney and London? Try this. Complete the following table to understand the time at different meridians when it's 12 noon at the prime meridian. Different meridians have different timings at the same time. For example, if it is 12 noon at prime meridian, then it is 8 a.m. at 60° west and 16 hours at 60° east. Sunil and Meenal have to note these timings. Take the help of the figure alongside. After that, discuss in the class and answer the questions. Fill in the boxes in figure 7.1. This is figure 7.1, the journey of Meenal and Sunil. Draw this figure on your school ground and carry out this activity as shown here. Here 180° meridian, midnight. Here 0° meridian, Thursday, midday. And these are the different degrees. 150° east, 120° east, 90° east, 60° east, 30° east, 0°, 30° west, 60° west, 90° west, 120 degree west, 150 degree west, and this is 180 degree meridian. See the table A and table B. Meenal's observations, Sunil's observations. Meridian day time 0 degree Greenwich, Thursday 12 noon. 30 degree west, Thursday 10 hours. Then 60 degree west. Here also see 0 degree meridian Greenwich, Thursday 12 noon. 30 degree east, Thursday 14 hours. Then 60 degree west, 60 degree east. Similarly 90 degree, 20 degree, 150 degree, 180, 150, 120, 90, 60, 30, and again 0 degree Greenwich. Meenal is going towards west and Sunil is going towards east. Sunil and Meenal embark on their journey to circumvent the earth from 0 degree meridian at 12 noon on Thursday. During their journey, they cross each other at 180 degree meridian and move forward. When Sunil returns back to 0 degree meridian after his journey, he thought it was Friday. When Meenal returned at 0 degree meridian, she thought it is Wednesday. Now tell what is the day at 0 degree meridian at Greenwich after completing the table A. What is the day at 0 degree meridian at Greenwich after completing the table B? Though both were at the same place, why were they experiencing different days? How did this happen? How many days occurred while doing this activity? Name them. Now think about it. Which day is correct? Wednesday in table A or Friday in table B? Why? Geographical explanation. Earth's rotation, revolution, the sunrise, the sunset are natural phenomena. Man has studied the rotation, speed, direction, and shape of the earth and prepared the chronometric timekeeping system for his own purpose. Considering the shape of the earth, he defined graticule on the earth. He coordinated between the time of the earth's rotation and the meridians of the graticule. The earth takes 24 hours to make one rotation. Earth takes 24 hours to make a round of 360 degree around itself. Earth rotates from west to east. Therefore, in terms of time, the eastern part of the earth is ahead of the western part. Keeping this in mind, let's think about Sunil's journey. Sunil is moving towards the east. Therefore, the time will move ahead at different meridians. For example, at 90 degree east meridian, it will be Thursday 9 pm. Sunil moves eastwards and according to him it will be Thursday midnight 12 at 180 degree meridian. According to him, as he continues, it will be Friday after he crosses the 180 degree meridian. At 90 degree west, it will be Friday 6 am, and therefore, after the full round of the earth, when Sunil meets Meenal at 0 degree meridian, it will be Friday afternoon 12 pm. Now consider Meenal's journey. As she moves westwards, she will see that time is moving backward. For example, at 30 degree west, it will be 10 hours in the morning on Thursday, while it will be 8 am on Thursday at 60 degree west and it will be 12 midnight at 180 degree meridian. If Meenal continues ahead, then it will Wednesday 9 p.m. at 90 degree east, when she will complete her full journey and return back to 0 degree meridian. Then, according to her, it should be Wednesday afternoon. There is a debate between Meenal and Sunil when they meet after their respective journeys. According to Meenal, it should be Wednesday, and according to Sunil, it should be Friday. Then, where does Thursday go? The following method was used to come to a solution. Solution to the confusion of days. When you cross the 180 degree meridian, some precautions need to be taken. Meridian of 180 degree is reached after 12 hours from prime meridian. If you go from east or west accordingly, an adjustment or change in day and time is made. According to the convention, the start and end of a date is considered to be at 180 degree meridian. Therefore, the following points were taken into consideration while drawing the international date line. The direction of travel, the current day and date. While traveling from Japan to America, we need to consider the existing day and date. Even after crossing the IDL, for example, if it is Thursday 25th December, then Thursday 25th December only should be considered. On the contrary, while going from America to Japan and crossing the IDL, one needs to add a day to the date. So if it is Thursday 25th December, then it will be Friday 26th December. It will be clear from the following example and figure 7.2. Shyam Rao left for America, which lies to the east of the IDL, from Japan, from the west of the IDL on 1st at 1 p.m. on Monday. After traveling for 24 hours in a flight, he reached America and saw the date there. It was Monday, 1st, 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Shamrao left for Japan to the west of IDL from America from the east of IDL on Friday, 5th at 12 noon. He reached Japan after 24 hours flight and the date was Saturday, 6th, 12 noon. We can consider that with reference to the ideal, the day on the earth starts in the west and ends in the east. It is one and the same day only at 12 o'clock midnight at the 180 degree meridian. For the countries lying to the east of it, that is the USA, Chile, etc., it is the end of the day, while for countries lying to the west, that is west of it, that is Japan, Australia, etc., it is the start of a new day. Now a question may come to your mind that why don't the dates change with respect to 180 degree meridian then? Why is the ideal required? Do you know? The flight by American plane UA840 awakens our curiosity. This plane left Shanghai, China on 1st January 2017 and crossed the Pacific Ocean to reach the western coast of America at San Francisco on 31st December 2016. The reverse change in date in relation the ideal is evident. North Pole in this picture, then South Pole, international date line. Eastern Hemisphere, Western Hemisphere. Tropic of Capricorn, Equator, Tropic of Cancer. Person traveling to the west will add a day after crossing the IDL. Person traveling east will continue with the same day last after crossing the IDL. International dateline. This. International dateline. Our 24-hour day starts at midnight, at 12 midnight. Because of the Earth's rotation, midnight occurs at different times at different places. As the Earth is spherical in shape, every place has a place to its east. Then, at what location to the east does the day start on the Earth? To get an answer to many questions like this, representatives of many nations got together under the leadership of American professor Davidson in the year 1884 and decided on the international date line. The line was drawn opposite to the Greenwich prime meridian, that is, with reference to the 180-degree meridian. It is an international convention to change the day and time while crossing this line. An attempt has been made to make the ideal pass through the Pacific Ocean completely. Had it passed through land or some islands, the people there would have had to follow different dates and timings because dates would have been different on their eastern and western parts. Also, it would have been difficult to know when one crosses the ideal on land and when the date changes on the calendar. Therefore, the ideal is not a straight line like the 180-degree meridian. At poles, it turns east, while at other places it turns west. See figure 7.2. The ideal has been changed as and when required. The last change was made in 2011. Nevertheless, maximum part of the ideal coincides with the 180-degree meridian. The importance of IDL. The IDL brings coordination between international airlines, transportation services, economic and trade activities. The IDL has been carved out of necessity of coordinating time and date. It is also important in today's modern era and rapidly happening global developments. We can keep a track of all the calculations of day and time accurately with the help of ideal. In case of global transportation, ESP, with respect to airways, it is only because of the ideal that the schedules of the traffic worldwide are organized properly. Examine a ticket of UA 876 Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner closely and find the answers to the following questions. Can you tell from which country will the plane take off and where will it go? What is the duration of the flight? What is the day, date, and time given at the starting point and destination of the flight? What special note is given on the air ticket? What could be the reason behind giving such a note? During this flight, will the plane cross the ideal? If yes, then from which direction to which direction? What did you understand by reading the ticket? 12 a.m. Tokyo, Japan. H and D Haneda. 1st April, Friday, to Thursday, March 31, 5:45 p.m. San Francisco, CA, US, SFO. Non-stop. It takes 9 hours 15 minutes total. Please note this flight involves a date change. UA 876 Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. International date line. West. Today. West. Yesterday. East. This is the line. Use your brain power. You are traveling from Kamchatka Peninsula in the North Hemisphere to New Zealand in the Southern Hemisphere along the ideal. It is Monday, 22nd June in Northern Hemisphere. What will the day and date be in the Southern Hemisphere? Give it a try. You are now aware of the changes required to be made while crossing the ideal. Now redo the activity given on page 59. Tell us the changes that you will have to make while crossing the ideal, that is 180-degree meridian. Your travel will start on Sunday 21st May 2016 at 10 a.m. So this is the chapter. Thank you.